Number two, mantra. Mantras are nothing but chanting. You see, in any powerful work that requires collective power or extraordinary power, chanting has been used down the ages. This is an ancient secret I observed through my journey of many learnings, and I thought this is a great ingredient to increase efficiency, and that's how we introduce this. Now, chanting is these small type of words or formulas that, if said at one time collectively by many people, it creates a lot of energy at once. You can see it in many places, like laborers when they want to move heavy machinery. Now we have other big machines to move it, but then most part of the world still uses a lot of men to do that. And when they move it at once, like one time every few seconds, and everybody comes together and makes certain noise, who or ha or something like that, or they have words, funny words. This brings all the men's energy at one point and gives it a push. Now, those of you who are physics students understand this better. Also, they use chanting, certain sentences, certain words in the army, in martial arts, to bring up that adrenaline. And if you watch old movies where queens and kings were carried by a couple of men on their shoulders, in a particular, we call that chariot kind of thing or something. They also, kind of sang because they had to carry a lot of luggage, and also these people from one destination to another destination for miles away. Road is not going to be easy, so they have to come up with certain humming sounds, certain words, certain mantra to keep them going. It's kind of a trance. So they don't realize the pain of walking so many miles. So chanting has a fantastic secret, and here what we do is we have little formulas which we have designed for our students to utter that creates a lot of energy in them, and it builds muscle memory. Now, generally, when you look at guitar learning systems, this particular methodology that's in practice around India, that they get demotivated and they lose interest in learning guitar in a matter of 2 or 3 months. So we have taken all these parameters in consideration. Our main intention is that you should be entertained, and the theory and the exercises that are designed to make you learn with fun. Besides building muscle memory with your fingers and the familiarity with chords and the way you should handle guitar, it also affects psychology a lot. It makes it unforgettable. It makes it easier for you to remember things. It is not going to be as boring as the other methodology people practice out there, that you don't remember what you learned last week. It's not going to happen here that way. Because of the way we have designed this is very user-friendly, and it's going to stick with you. Even when you're riding your motorcycle or driving a car or traveling somewhere, you can actually virtually remember these things and how it is held and what it means. It's that beautiful. Experience, and then you will know.